bàbá olóyin sẹ̀sán adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ lóyin òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì, Tántọ́lọ́run, Bàbá Olóyin kan, Bàbá Olóyin original. I'm saying that Ìyẹ̀sí Ọ̀tà, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Ìyẹ̀sí Ọ̀tà. The program you are watching today is from Bàbá Olóyin original television, Bàbá Olóyin original television, and the phone number is on the screen. 080 54 74 94 55 080 54 74 94 55. I have another number. You can reach me on another number. 0810 84 31 336 0810 84 31 336. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp so that it is easy for me to reply you very, very well. Today, I want to give you another secret. Everybody knows potatoes, ànàmọ́. Yoruba people call it iṣu ànàmọ́. Wọ́n ní èsúrú ṣàṣejù tẹ́lọ́wọ́ oníníyàn, kúkúndùkú ó ṣàṣejù ọkọlé ànákọlọ́, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èsúrú ṣàṣejù tẹ́lọ́wọ́ oníyàn, kúkúndùkú dádùn jù ọkọlé ànákọlọ́. So Yoruba people call this thing kúkúndùkú or ànàmọ́, red potatoes. You can use it to get money. You can use it to get customers in your shop. Get seated, I will tell you today again. But just before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is one of my books, Honey as a Medicine, Solution to Women Problems book, Healing Power of Honey. I have other books. This is African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, and this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone, and distance is no more barrier. They can send the books to you all over the world. All over the world, if you can pay for delivery. If you can pay for delivery, they can send the books to you all over the world. Yes, and don't forget I get branches in Lagos State. If you go to Mushin, go and see them at CAF Communications, number 4 Alukolaro Street. Number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. At Bariga, go to number 36 Ilaje Road. 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Or you come to Baba Olóyin bus stop. Baba Olóyin bus stop, Ìyẹ̀sí Ọ̀tà. Monday to Friday we are there. We don't open Saturday and Sunday. Yes. Now back to what Ayala says. You know potato. Red potatoes. You can fry red potatoes. You can fry. You can heat. Even in my village, when we prepare red potatoes, we don't normally remove the skin. We heat with the skin. Yes, it's very nutritious. Ó dáa púpọ̀. Red potatoes, you can fry. You can fry with palm oil or with vegetable oil. A máa ń dín jẹ, ó good. But do you know it can good? You can use the yam, potato yam. You know I taught you before you can use the leaves for adodun, sweet taste. You can use the leaves for sweet taste. If you buy my book, you will see it there. Adodun ni o. Bó ṣe ń dùn yẹn kíní rẹ̀ ọmọ dùn ní lábẹ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀. Ìyàwó náà tó bá lò kíní rẹ̀ ọmọ dùn mọ́kọ. Go and search for my book. I put it in my book, African Power Part 2. It's here inside this book. So the thing I want to teach you today is how to use it to get money. how to use it for love and attraction. You get when you want to heat this potato, red potato, you see, red, it looks like purple like this, purple potatoes. So you get some quantities. You know, when you remove the yam, when you remove the skin, we normally cook the yam or we fry it. The skin you remove, that skin, don't throw them away. It can help you. It can help you boost your business. It can help you for love and attraction anywhere you go. You get some skin of the red potatoes. Red potatoes. See, you dry. Put them in the sun to dry for 2 or 3 days. 2 or 3 days, it will dry off. Then you powder this thing. Powder them. Powder the skin of red potatoes. Powder them. After powder, you put them in a plastic. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking salt. Then 1 tablespoon of original honey. Mix them together. Then you can be hastening you can add coconut oil. Adiagbon. How to eat. Rub your face with it every day before you go outside. If it is your cream, you can take part. Mix with your cream. Any cream you are using. Mix with your cream. Rub your face with it before you go outside. You will always get attention anywhere you go. The remaining one you keep. Anytime you need, you go there. You know you have already mixed with salt and original honey. It can never spoil. And the one you prepare, you can prepare the one you will be licking every morning. O tún lè máa lá láràárọ̀ o, ẹ̀yọnú ni o, ẹ̀yọnú àwọn àgbà. Káyé yọnu sí mi, kán yọnu sí ẹ, káyé yọnu sí gbogbo wa. Ó ń tajà ò lẹ́yọ̀nú la. You are deceiving yourself. Yes. Ó lẹ́yọ̀nú ni kò tó rí ṣe. Yes. Yẹmi sísàm. Ó kọrin ó kìmọ̀kìmọ̀. Wọn ò náwó fún ọ̀pá. Ó lẹ́yọ̀nú. Akéwì tó kéwì tí ò lẹ́yọ̀nú wọn ò ní náwó fún ọ. Wàláì. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan bẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe owó tí ń wọlé láì tí ì sọ̀rọ̀. Orí o ẹ̀yọ́nú ni wọ́n ṣe lónìí. Yes, some people they don't use all these things. Christmas is coming, New Year is coming. It is when December is when we reach December now, some people will be asking you, what can we use to see business? You, my tailor have been disappointing me for the past 2 months now. That is why you see me repeating my clothes. Yes. One disappointing. Sometimes you see me repeating as okay. Because when they disappoint, you change one tailor to another. But there are some fashion designers, they are praying for rejected clothes. Aṣọ tán kan bá kọ̀ ọ̀lẹ̀ làwọn ń retí. Yes, when other tailors, fashion designers are busy, they will be telling customers, we can't take clothes again. It is those clothes some people are now they are now waiting for. Sáyé nù, ọmọ tó ọmọ wé lọ ọmọ ìwé ẹ̀. Ibi tí ẹ̀ bá follow ẹ̀ sí ní ọba, ó tọ́jú ara rẹ ni. Báyé ṣe wà nìyẹn. Yes. Yes. Sometimes when they disappoint me with my clothes, I used to repeat my dress. I will use asoki. That is why sometimes you don't see me changing clothes again. Because when we give them 6 pairs, they don't deliver in time. And I can't blame them. Everybody is praying for success. There are some people, fashion designing, carpenter, upholstery, they are waiting for December 13, 20 to see rejected works. Tọ́jú ara yín. You take care of yourself. You'll be gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀. Yes. This thing I'm teaching you today again, don't forget potato chips. Potato skin. Epo, iṣu ànàmọ́. You dry it, powder, mix with salt and original honey. Put it in one place. Add to your cream, or you get a coconut perfume, anything the coconut, adi agbon, mix with it, rub your face with it. You will always see money. You see customers in your shop. Then, if you prepare another one, out of the one you prepare, lick it every day before you go outside, and money will be running after you. Yes. Before I go, I must not forget to tell you about hot water soap to remove family causes and family bondages in your life. They are available now. Rain is falling. Even today, rain is falling in Ogun State now. Today, rain is falling as I'm talking to you now. You can hear the sound. Rain is falling. So you are able to collect now till November ending. You can still buy now. You know, by October ending, I told you I won't be selling again. But we thank God, rain is falling again. So we continue to see materials till November ending. So those of you that wanted to buy, that you couldn't buy, you are free to buy now. Hot water soap, coconut oil perfume to remove family causes and family bondage for hot water soap. This for general love and attraction. Yes, unless you don't spend money again, that you won't see money, you only see money. Coconut oil perfume, shea butter cream. Njó rí bá fojú kóòrùn ní mọ̀ ń yọ ni, ayé ayọ́nu sí mi, ayọ́nu sí ẹ, ayọ́nu sí gbogbo wa. They are available till November ending now. Rain is falling in November again. Don't forget, you can get my boost. I see boost on your phone, or your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Before I go, I must thank those people that are appreciating my work. Those people that are giving me money. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. Mo fẹ́, Olúwa kó máa bá ẹ fẹ́, mo kọ̀, Olúwa kó bá ẹ kọ̀. Amen. Always give us money on Super Thanks on YouTube channel. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. We will never lack. Giver never lack. We never lack good things of life. Mr. Akinola Adebayo, thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé gbogbo ìgbà. Mo rówó yín o. Mr. Akinola Adebayo, thank you very much. Ojú òní tì yín, ojú kì í tó Olódùmarè. Mr. Akinola Adebayo used to support Amen on my YouTube channels. The two of them always come and support me on my channel. And God will never let you down. Ojú òní tì yín. Brother Akim, USA. Thank you very much, Mr. Akim. Ẹni fẹsẹ̀ ló gbà. Gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ bá dáwọ́lé yóò máa yọrí sí rere ni. Brother Akim, thank you very much. I do appreciate you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ ń ṣe fún mi mo dúpẹ́. My only daughter in Belgium, ó tọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta. You know, for the past 1 week, I didn't post any videos. I was busy somehow. My only daughter in Belgium, thank you very much. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ojú òní tì ọ́. Alaja Fatima Leki Aja, thank you very much. Brother Stanley in USA, thank you very much. Brother Michael, thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ojú kì í tó Olódùmarè, ojú òní tì gbogbo yín. Mo ti padà dé báyìí padà o. You know, for 1 week, I didn't post any videos. If you have been watching me, I think it was only a day before yesterday I did one program for Kenny Show. And today, this is Papa Oloyin Original TV. For complete 1 week, I was busy doing other things. Now Papa Oloyin is back again by God's grace. We do anything here. If you like today's program, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Share among friends and relatives. Subscribe if you have never subscribed. Share among friends and relatives. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.